What is the universe truly made of? What are the hidden ingredients of everything around us? This ancient question has echoed through the ages, asked by curious minds ever since the dawn of human civilization. From the very beginning, humans have understood that the more we know about our surroundings, the better our chances of survival, and that's how we've come so far. Our journey to uncover the secrets of the universe began with simple experiments like breaking objects into smaller and smaller pieces and sorting living things from non-living ones. These early efforts laid the foundation for the intellectual quests in history. Across time, different civilizations sought answers based on the knowledge they had. The oldest of them, the Indian civilization, offered a profound insight. They introduced the concept of the Paramanu, the smallest indivisible particle that exists within everything. This ancient knowledge is similar to our modern-day understanding of the atom. Meanwhile, the ancient Greeks and Chinese proposed that the universe was made up of 4 basic elements: earth, water, fire, and air. Though this theory helped shape early thinking, we now know it's not quite right because these elements are, in fact, made up of molecules which themselves contain even smaller parts. With the rise of industrialization and the advent of machines, our understanding took a giant leap forward. We discovered that everything around us is composed of 94 naturally occurring elements, or atoms, all beautifully arranged in what we now call the periodic table. As technology advanced further, scientists built even larger machines to peer deeper inside the atom. They found that an atom is composed of a nucleus, made up of protons and neutrons, surrounded by clouds of electrons. But the story didn't end there. The protons and neutrons themselves were made of even smaller particles called quarks. These quarks, along with electrons, are the fundamental building blocks of everything. In conclusion, humanity has made a tremendous achievement in understanding the universe. We've broken down an infinite number of possibilities into 118 elements in the periodic table and even further to 2 fundamental particles, quarks and electrons.